In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Asana. If you're new to Asana or just want a cleaner process, we'll build a simple visual workflow you can maintain and scale. By the end, you'll know how to set up a project, structure your stages, add helpful task details, and use automations to keep work moving without constant check-ins. We'll start by setting up the project. Click the plus button in Asana and choose project. Pick a starting point that fits your situation. A blank project gives you control, a template speeds things up, and importing a spreadsheet is handy if your work already lives in rows and columns. For the layout, choose a board view. Boards are great for visualizing a workflow because you can drag and drop tasks between stages. Next, structure your workflow. Rename the default sections or add your own to match the stages of your process, such as ideation, development, and review. Keep the names clear so everyone understands what each stage means. Then create tasks in the first section. Each task should represent a single action item or deliverable, like a draft, a mockup, or a handoff. Use concise titles so they're easy to scan. Now add details and set up basic automation. Click a task to open its details pane and add a description, assign it to the right person, and set a due date. If you need better tracking, add custom fields, for example, priority, effort, or type of work, so you can filter and report consistently across tasks. To reduce manual follow-up, open the project's Customize menu and create rules. Start with a trigger, like when a task is moved to the review section. Then define actions, such as assigning it to the review team or moving it to an approved section once it's been approved. Keep rules focused so they're predictable and easy to maintain. For advanced automation, use Workflow Builder. Click the Workflow button at the top of the project to open the Visual Builder. Here, you can add intake sources like forms or connected apps, so tasks are created automatically when submissions come in. Then stitch everything together with triggers and actions, like starting a task when a form is submitted or updating fields when a task moves between sections. This view makes it easy to see how work enters, progresses, and finishes, and it helps you spot any gaps in the process. That's it. Your Asana workflow is ready to use. Start with something simple, then refine your sections, fields, and rules as your team uses it. With a clear structure and the right automations, you'll spend less time managing tasks and more time completing them.